Have you ever wondered why Montessori classrooms place so much importance on simple, everyday tasks like pouring water, buttoning shirts, or sweeping the floor? These activities are not just about life skills, they are designed to shape the mind. In Montessori, practical life activities are the foundation of everything else. They help children develop independence, coordination, focus, and self-confidence. But beneath these surface skills, something even deeper is happening. These tasks are preparing the mind for learning. Practical life activities include everyday tasks like pouring, dressing, cleaning, cooking, and organizing. These may look simple, but for children they represent their first steps towards independence. When a child learns to button their shirt or pour their own water, they are not just mastering a skill, they are building self-confidence. Each successful action sends a powerful message: I can do things for myself. This sense of capability forms the emotional foundation for future learning, because children who feel competent are far more likely to approach challenges with curiosity rather than fear. One of the greatest gifts of practical life is the ability to nurture deep concentration. Montessori observed that when children engage with purposeful, hands-on tasks, they naturally enter a state of calm focus. These activities require sequencing, attention to detail, and slow, controlled movement. Over time, this practice strengthens the child's ability to concentrate on longer and more complex tasks, preparing the mind for academic work later on. If you'd like to understand how the brain develops this kind of sustained attention, check out our video on concentration in the brain behind Montessori series, where we explore what happens in the brain when children enter this focused, almost meditative state. Practical life tasks are carefully designed to refine both gross motor skills and fine motor control. Pouring water trains hand stability, using tongs builds finger strength, and sweeping the floor coordinates movement between the hands, eyes, and body. These movements prepare the hand for writing, the body for purposeful work, and the mind for precision. By practicing control and coordination, children learn to move thoughtfully and act with intention. Practical life also nurtures a child's natural need for order and responsibility. Tasks like setting the table, cleaning up after lunch, or caring for plants teach children to respect their environment and the community around them. What makes practical life so powerful is that it is not just about everyday skills, it is preparation for everything that follows. The ability to focus, to plan, to complete a sequence of steps, and to self-correct are the same skills used later in reading, writing, and mathematics. By mastering real tasks first, children approach abstract academic challenges with greater confidence and resilience. In Montessori, practical life activities are far more than chores, they are exercises for the mind and heart. By building independence, focus, and responsibility, they lay the foundation for a lifetime of learning.